Hey guys, it's Scott with Heritage Farms, Texas. Well, it's Sunday night. We survived another weekend. Hey, we're back at the corporate offices of Heritage Farms, aka Heath, Texas, our personal house. But hey, I always like to give a shout out, and when somebody does me right, I want to make sure I shout it from the rooftop. I'm a big believer in positive things, karma, blah, blah, blah. So here is my story on a company that did the right thing. It's the Ridge Wallet. So for those of you guys that don't know, about a year and a half ago, I had one of those huge wallets that I carried in my back pocket, and I had membership cards to everything in the world. And basically I reached a point where it was kind of like the Seinfeld episode where you had the big wallet. George did. He was sitting at the diner and he was leaning at a 45-degree angle. Well, that was me. So what I did was I made a decision. I said, you know what? I'm going to go to minimal amount of items. If I need anything, I'm going to take a picture of a membership card, keep it on my cell phone. I travel a lot, so I want to go light. I don't like carrying a billfold in my back pocket because fear is that it'll fall out, could get pickpocketed. I do travel a lot. I feel like carrying a wallet in your front pocket is a lot safer when you're traveling. However, here's the main reason. So a coworker of mine, he used to carry a big fat wallet in his back pocket, and he had constant back pain. He had a couple of back surgeries, and one of the surgeons told him, they said, hey, stop carrying a wallet in your back pocket. He said, you're gonna have back pain. He said, get away from it. Don't do it. So sure enough, my coworker, he stopped. He went to basically this same type design, and he said, after 6 months, he said, man, my back pain got a lot better. So I was also experiencing some mild back pain. Of course, I sit on airplanes for 4 hours at a pop. You're riding in cars. I don't do a lot of hard labor during the week. I do a lot on the weekends. So I also had mild back pain. And I have to tell you what, when I went to the Ridge Wallet and got rid of everything, I now carry this in my front pocket. All of my back pain has stopped. So I'm a believer. So guys, if you're carrying a wallet in your back pocket and it's over an inch thick, stop it. Throw it in the trash, get rid of it. So about a year and a half ago, I went to the Ridge Wallet, and this thing is kind of unique. We'll see if I can show this to you. It's kind of hard to do, but what you do here, one-handed, it's got a little thumb hole. You push it, your credit cards pop up. That happens, sorry, it's kind of hard to do with one hand. But anyway, you push the wallet up, your cards pop out, and then you can actually fan fold them. There you go. And you can kind of see which card you want, and you pick it out. And then once you get the card out, you just slide it back in, and away it goes. You got a money clip on one side. They have all different kinds of colors. This one's titanium, so very industrial, very heavy duty. Also, the other benefit is they say that if somebody had an RFID card reader or chip reader around, that you cannot read through this wallet. That wasn't the selling point for me. The selling point for me was I could carry driver's license, insurance card, work credit card, personal credit card, concealed handgun permit card, and a couple of business cards, money, and I'm off to the races. And this thing is less than 3/4 of an inch thick, very easily to carry in my front pocket. So here we go. Fast forward a year and a half later. I love the wallet. I'm a fan. The only thing I don't like is because of the way you have to slide the cards in and the constant tension due to that elastic band, your cards wear. So like the print on the credit cards, the edges start to wear off and everything. So once a year, you have to contact your various credit card companies and have them send you a new replacement card. That's the only downside I see. But the money clip. So the money clip goes on the back, and hold on. No surprise to you guys. I really don't have any money to put in the money clip. Isn't that a shame? But anyway, side story. I mean, my wife gives me $10 a week, and that's what I have to live on. Some of you guys can relate. Anyway, but you might see they use little bitty screws, and this thing is very fine milled. I mean, all of the screws are recessed, but I lost somehow in the process. I lost that screw and that screw. And when I lost those two screws, the money clip came loose. So I contacted Ridge, sent them an email. I said, hey, look guys, a couple of the screws fell out. Can you send me a replacement? Is it under warranty? I tell you what, they instantly responded. I mean, within 30 minutes, said, hey, a claim has been entered. And within 2 hours, they'd already responded and said, yep, your care package is coming out to you. And what they sent me was they sent me a complete screw set, every single screw, even though I only needed 2, they sent me the whole complete set. And this thing, when you buy it, they give you a little bitty specialty screwdriver, you know, little torque head to actually handle these. So not only did they send me a screw set, they sent me a new money clip. I didn't even need a new money clip, but they sent me one anyway. So anyway, so I've got a new money clip, I've got a screw set, I've got extra screws for the future. So hey, I'm very pleased. So consider this a review. 18 months in, the Ridge wallet, titanium gunsmoke or guns metal. I'm not sure what they call this color, but anyway, once again, there's all kinds of colors. You can get them in anything from aluminum to titanium, a lot of different options. You can go with a money band or just an elastic band to hold your money, or you can go with a clip. I went with the clip. Anyway, just can't say enough about these guys. Really like it. More importantly, I don't have back pain anymore by carrying this wallet, so I'm a believer. Hey, if you guys are in the market for a new wallet, check out the Ridge wallet. And as far as customer service, these guys are top notch. Hey, Ridge, if you're watching, why don't you sponsor my channel? Hey guys, hit the thumbs up, hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to our channel. We're desperately trying to grow. Thanks guys, glory be to God.